Hi, I'm Peter from Campkins, and this is the video walkthrough of the Tracer, the 27 BHS. There is so much to talk about this trailer, and we only have so little time. It certainly does come with a lot of features, including the power jack there in the front and the 2 propane tanks for you. Now I want you to come around the side and take a look at the storage space in here. It is so wide, it is so big, it goes through one side right through the other. There's so much that you can take with you. It does have a tire monitoring system so you can check your tires to make sure that you're safe. Electric awning, LED lights, indoor, outdoor speakers. On the back, we actually do have a outside kitchen. Now take a look at this. You've got everything you need to stay outside as much as you can. You've got Dad's medicine cabinet there, also called a refrigerator. You've got a barbecue, and you do have a sink with hot and cold running water. Let's take a look inside because there's still more to talk about. As you go inside, you're going to see that the interior of this is beautiful. It is well decorated. And let's go to the back and we'll go to the bedroom, okay? You can walk around each side of the bed. If you take a look at those wardrobes, they are very deep. There is enough space on either side for your phone and your hat and your keys and everything else that you need. There's a lot of space in this bedroom, and they've made it beautiful for you. As we take a look at the rest of the trailer, take a look at this kitchen and how much space there is. There's storage up here. There's a lot of counter space. You do have a drying rack. You've got lots of space so you can see what you're cooking here. There's drawers down below and a nice big fridge. One of the benefits of this fridge is that you can take more things out of your fridge at home and put it in the fridge in this trailer, because this is over 10 cubic feet of space for you. Beautiful dinette, lots of windows here, which makes sure everything is nice and bright for you. You have got a nice couch here. Let's take a look at the washroom. Nice size washroom. You'll see that there's a glass shower door for you. There's a place to sit, there's a place to store your shampoos, everything you need in here, including some storage space and a medicine cabinet that actually opens up so you can put your toiletries in there too. We've got nice double beds so the kids can grow into them. You've got a ladder for the kids to climb up. And come here for a second, let me show you something, because you are going to be impressed with this. Let me open up the door. Kapow! Look at that. Look at all that storage space. This is one beautiful trailer. It's the Tracer 27 BHS right here at Campkins RV Center. Let us make your RV dreams come true.